Today I'm going to break down for you 20 must-know terms used every day in the stock market in under 2 minutes. How's it going, guys? Ryan here with another episode of Stock Market Basics, and today we're talking basic terminology and I'm going to give it to you in under 2 minutes in this video. But before we get started, guys, please give me a like, helps me out so much, and subscribe for more content. And with that, let's get straight into it. Buy, to purchase shares in a company. Sell, to get rid of shares in a company. Bid, what you're willing to pay for a stock. Ask, what you're willing to sell a stock for. Bull market, the overall stock market's prices are trending upwards. Bear market, the overall stock market's prices are trending downwards. Volatility, how fast stocks move up and down in value. Liquidity, how easily you can buy and sell a stock. Volume, number of shares being transacted. Going long, buying a stock with the intention of selling at a higher value for profit. Going short, borrowing a stock with the intention of returning it at a lower value for profit. Averaging down, as the share price drops, an investor will add to their current holdings through buying additional shares at lower rates, reducing their average price per share. Market cap, what the market believes a company is worth, calculated by multiplying total shares on issue by share price. Dividend, portion of a company's earnings paid out to shareholders. Blue chip stocks, large and stable companies generally issue dividends to holders. Penny stocks, small and risky companies, generally small in size and volatile in price. ETFs, exchange traded funds, a collection of stocks that are treated as mutual funds but traded like ordinary shares. Broker, the entity or individual that buys and sells stocks for you in exchange for a fee known as a brokerage. Portfolio, a collection of investments owned by an investor. Stock ticker or symbol, the unique code used to identify publicly listed companies listed on a stock exchange. And that's 20 stock market terms in under 2 minutes. I hope you guys learned something today, especially for the beginners out there, as the lingo can be quite confusing and hard to understand. If you did, please leave a like and leave any comments, queries or questions about other terms down below, and subscribe for more content. And with that, guys, I hope you have an awesome day. See you next time.